Are we waiting?
Yeah, it's still, you see it's showing detail progress?
Okay, I will share my screen now.
Okay.
Okay, you see my screen. This is the Cloudflare and the DNS. So I see AGS old, AGS art, assessment old, like Astro. What are they here?
Those are stuff that have been used in the past.
Okay.
So for now, we need to see if AGS, I don't know if it's still used. That used to point to a web server. Art, I have no idea what it is, but if you do art.wfh.org, if that still works.
Okay, so I can check them one by one. If they work. Okay, otherwise I can delete them from here. No?
I don't know why you would go in there and do that.
To clean it, only to clean it.
Yeah, I know, but it's like yeah, do it. If you want to do it, do it. I just don't want you have to make sure that it's not connected to any other stuff like
You see, we have
the
one.
programming.
Okay.
Yeah, like a Staro can go. That I know that you can delete that one. There's some of them that I'm sure we can remove it, but like news, that was because those used to be domain that used to exist.
Yeah. So, for example, news old, as you said, we copied the content to a new, I don't know, somewhere in the website, somewhere in the server, but right now it's not accessible.
Yeah, so you could that one that you're sure because it was a website. Yes, MMS you could probably remove it because it's not being used anymore by you guys because it was my software.
Okay.
And let me just make sure that I'm not. Where's my other window?
Okay. If you want to share again your screen, like feel free.
Yeah, no, I lost where my window where it was. Hold on. Something the database. This guy. Where's my other window though? I lost my window. I think I closed the window by mistake. Oops. Oh, it's right here.
You mean the plus, huh?
Yeah. I couldn't find my window with where I was.
Yeah. Can you share it, please?
Yeah,
Perfect. Thank you.
I was getting there. I couldn't
Yeah.
find. And what I'm trying to do now is I'm trying to figure out where. That's good because in uploads you got 13 gigs of No, creative. And because when we do this, we have also the see. Now we copy this. This data is the old backup of 2024 from Updraft. This is a very, very old backup.
Yeah, we don't need it anymore.
So let's just delete this because it's going to be, if one day we restore for like last time.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. But now what we did is because we after went to the Updraft is not there, we didn't copy it. Because then it might also copy the backup of the old site in here.
Oh, really? Wow.
Yeah, here, look. There you go. And here we had even the word that we had the one from the past in here.
So,
You see, this was give, there was backups of other sites in here.
so it means when you said 13 gig for the WFH website, it means that also the backups were in it.
Yeah.
Well, I'm wondering how much place we saved with deleting the backups. Plugins old, themes old, uploads old. Oh my god.
And it's like, this is 2023, you see?
Yeah.
And then there is some from 2025, but that's like old stuff from 20, then this is where they copied from the other one. Because you see, this is the main site. 2024 we had before, 0808. And this is the backup on this from other stuff. So here is a lot of stuff. So now that we did this,
Also, this is not only the WFH website, this is everything. Even the GIF.
it's weird. It's just because I think it's because of the. See, we still have 85%.
You think it's what?
15%. Huh?
You think it's what?
It's because of the way the backups were done in the past. Like it was using the same account strangely. So you see, this is archive. I don't know what this is. And April. I don't know. This is. I don't know how much size this is taking right now.
Question. Can we change a domain name on the Cloudflare? Can we edit it, for example, if it's old GIF, for example, we call it stage GIF, for example.
Yeah.
Oh, we can edit. We don't need to delete and create new stage, a new link, new domain.
No.
Perfect.
No. The only thing is if you remove it and it was used for something else,
yeah,
then
it's
not going to work anymore. Just that's the only issue.
Yeah. No, I got you. At least I will not wait like a lot of time to and I will not wait a day, so the domain name will be activated.
see this here too, like, there's backups of, it's fine to have some backups, there's space on the server, but now it's because we need to also figure out what in the folder, let's say in the, here, what is taking 13 gigs. Yeah. So there's this is like we're doing a lot of stuff for have to be careful not to do too much, and we crash all these other stuff. But create a draft.
But okay, you are on the general file manager, right? On the general page. Why it's saying stage1.wh.org?
Yeah, it's just because I'm browsing. I was there first. I'm browsing.
Yeah.
I know, but don't forget that it's just.
Okay, I got you.
I shouldn't do these things because I just confuse you.
No. I'm understanding better. I'm understanding better. No problem.
This is just because I was in there when I connect first.
And you change the directory.
Directly, you see? But then when you do it manually, it doesn't recreate here. I don't know why.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah,
it's just how it works for.
Yeah.
But I never really thought about it. Yeah, so there is some site that I have a bit more like Congress at the 2024.
Those we don't need them anymore.
Yeah. I just don't know, like I don't clean these things because I don't wanna. It's not up to me.
So if it's up to us, we need to go there and clean them.
But it's you can do all this through your WordPress site.
I can't see all these backups there.
What you're seeing, Ampeg, in life, no one has access to this. In regular, when you run websites and stuff like that, unless you really worked on the back end with Plesk and all that, then you'll see it. But usually people don't see it. So in your let's say every website that's using the plugins.
Yes.
It's in there that we have to go technically, or when you're into the site itself, because if you go into the dashboard and you go file, you could do it from here, but people usually don't do that.
Okay.
It's not something that we, because all your backups are been running and things are stable since I set up a couple of months ago a cleanup of the cache stuff, but you see how big this is, right?
Yeah.
It's still going, so I hope it's not impacting the server speed. I don't think so. On space, we're still at you still have 87 gigs technically right now, so we're still good. Oops.
Cannot access var. No such file or directory.
I know it's because I'm trying to. This command, I cannot go under upload. There's no subdirectories, so I can't. There was an old command that I tried just to do this here.
Oh yeah.
Tell me which site has which directory. We already cleaned up. See, in the uploads, I don't know what's in the uploads. We might have duplicates. Those are in media, the media directory. There's a lot of that's a lot of data for 4 gigs of data, but it's here. It's a big website. It's like there's so much stuff in there.
Yeah.
So technically, that's hard. Like when you have a website that it's been growing, not easy to.
We need to delete the things that we don't need anymore. We don't need it anymore.
I know, but it's
Really
hard.
hard.
Like it's hard. It's hard. I totally get it. It's because the site keeps growing, and then it's like, okay, is this file still being used? So sometimes you can use plugins to see if every file in the media is working or is being touched by a page. And I used that a couple of times, and I screwed up sites because it says no use, no use, no use, no use. So delete. And then 3 4 days later, like this thing's not working. I'm like, but that app, the plugin told me that it was not being used.
Yeah. You can't trust, huh?
And it's like, so it is like touchy. Like, do you want to have that? Like, so if we go into the plugins here, the media. We need to figure out what's being.
Yeah, and it's really old-fashioned, the media, because you don't have next. I mean, it's really stupid to load more. What is it? I mean, I can't go back 4 years.
I agree with you.
Clicking
but you
load
see,
more.
at 2,703 files, that's a lot of files.
Maybe at least there should be a filter, I think we have it. We have that. Only the PDFs or only the image.
You have stuff from October 2021.
Okay, while we are waiting, Frank, sorry, last question. I told you that WFH intranet, I'm not able to add a media on it, but when I cloned it, I was able to clone it. I was able to add the media.
Okay, so let's go check the same thing as the other one, I think.
Yeah.
Which one is it?
Intranet.wfh.org. What? Ah. Oh, maybe you need to log in.
Hold on.
I am able to access here to log in. It's working well. And faster actually, since you changed the memory.
Yeah, it's okay. So this here.
Use the web. Use the web.
This guy.
Exactly.
And that's the
Yes.
password.
Yes.
That's what it is.
Yes.
Okay, so let's put it back the same way here because something is doing that thing is not right.
No, but you have problem on your side. The information you're about to.
Yeah, it's like it doesn't put this HTTPS. Because if I go send anyway, it's gonna. I think it's gonna open the HTTPS, so it doesn't like this.
There
you go.
Perfect. So go to media.
What the hell is this here? You have custom events that are. Hold on.
Do you think it needs update? That's why updates.
I think so, yeah.
But, okay. But why unclone it's working? This is my
Yeah, I
problem.
know, that's what I'm thinking right now. I just your custom event that are using the same idea which already registered in the plugin, do you have so they have been disabled?
Yeah, we don't have we don't have forms there. That's why.
But let me just see this guy here with his monster from us.
If you wanna see the cloned one,
No, there's nothing. Like there's something right now is uh, some version of X is not tested with